So still was the darkened morn, before any hint of dawn. Every tree, every bird, not a breeze, not a word rang through, and then up above aside, there gleamed through the waning night a bough made of light, such a garland so bright it could turn any creature's eye. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Every eye near awake would be turned to each gem that through darkness burned. All that crawled, all that flew, all that lived, all that grew looked on as they shone in the indigo silent sky. Each heart sang a lullaby, and into a year, to a smile, to a tear, costing it all ever high, to 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Tamariki, watching warm and wise, mother and her whānau wander in the skies. Dawhiri Aotearoa gave us his eyes and hung them all on treasures in the morning sky. All here on earth needing love shone through in the jewels above. From the sky to the ground, to the seas that surround, to the rains that sustain every tree, from the greatest to the least. Every breeze, every dream, every feast had a star looking on, ever frail, ever strong, the promises of years gone by. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa. 9 treasures in the morning sky. Matariki Hunga Nui, gather, laugh and cry. Aotearoa. 9 treasures